Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In this lecture, we are going to discuss one important and fundamental topic from the mole concept. Okay, that is gram atomic weight and gram molecular weight. Okay, first of all, we will start with gram atomic weight. So, what is gram atomic weight? See, this is also can be called as gram atom. Gram atomic weight or gram atom. Okay, so simply it is written as GAW. Okay, gram atomic weight, GAW, gram atomic weight. Atomic weight expressed in grams. Okay, atomic weight of any atom expressed in grams is called gram atomic weight or gram atom. Okay, simply this I am writing as GAW, gram atomic weight. Okay, if atomic weight of any atom that is expressed in the grams, then that is called as gram atomic weight or gram atom. Clear? For example, if you have carbon, okay, atomic weight of carbon is 12 units. See, remember that this atomic weight is a relative value. Okay, this is a relative value, and so that's why it does not have any units. But gram atomic weight of carbon is 12 grams. Okay, gram atomic weight of carbon is 12 grams. Clear? Atomic weight of the carbon is 12 units. But if that atomic weight is expressed in grams, that is 12 gram, then that is called as gram atomic weight. Okay, so in the same manner, for example, for oxygen, okay, atomic weight is how much? 16 units, but gram atomic weight is how much? 16 grams. Okay, atomic weight does not have any unit, simply that is a number, and gram atomic weight expressed in grams. In the same manner, what is gram molecule or gram molecular weight? So simply this can be written as GMW, gram molecular weight. Okay, so this is applicable for the molecules. Okay, molecular weight expressed in grams. Okay, is called gram molecular weight, or it can be called as simply gram molecule. Okay, if the molecular weight of a molecule, see, this is for the atoms and this is for the molecules. Clear? For example, if we have water, okay, H2O, so here it is molecular weight is 18 units and gram molecular weight is 18 grams. Okay, clear? Molecular weight is simply 18, but gram molecular weight, when the molecular weight expressed in the grams, that is 18 grams. Clear? So this is gram atomic weight expressed in the grams, and gram molecular weight means molecular weight expressed in the gram. This is applicable for the atoms and this is applicable for the molecules. Now let us see how to calculate number of gram atoms and number of gram molecules. Okay, so now let us discuss how to calculate number of gram atoms present in a given sample or number of gram molecules present in a given sample. Very important, direct questions are asked in the entrance examinations. So we have a simple formula: number of gram atoms is equal to weight of the substance. Okay, whatever the atom it is given, weight of the substance in grams, we must take weight in the grams only, remember that, by gram atomic weight of the given substance. Okay, whatever it may be, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, whatever it may be. So weight of the substance in grams, we must take the weight in the grams only by gram atomic weight of the substance. See here, For example, we have a problem here. Number of gram atoms present in 1.2 kilogram of carbon is how much? So how to calculate number of gram atoms is equal to, see, this is the formula. Weight of the substance is given 1.2. See, but it is given in the kilograms, so you must express in the grams. So 1.2 into 10 power 3. So no, kilogram to gram. So now this is 1.2 into 10 power 3 grams. So what is the gram atomic weight of carbon? Just now we discussed 12 gram. Okay, so gram will get cancelled. So this we can write 12 into 10 power 2 by 12, right? So that's why we have here 10 power 2, that is nothing but 100 gram atoms of carbon are present in a sample of 1.2 kilogram of carbon. Means if you take 1.2 kilogram of carbon sample, in that one how many gram atoms of carbon are present? 100 gram atoms of carbon are present. Okay, now in the same manner, number of gram molecules. So here what is the formula? Number of gram molecules equal to weight of the molecule. Okay, weight of the molecule expressed in grams by gram molecular weight. Okay, weight of the molecule or substance also we can write. See here, substance or molecule or sample, in different books they are giving in different manner, no problem. So weight of the given molecule by gram molecular weight of the substance. Okay, gram molecular weight of the substance. So this is the formula. So we have a question here. Number of gram molecules present in 5.4 kilogram of H2O. So how to calculate number of gram molecules of H2O, that is equal to weight of the molecule, weight of the water molecules, how much? Here it is given that 5.4 kilograms. So we have to express it definitely in the grams. So it is multiplied by 10 power 3 and by gram molecular weight of water, how much? 18. Okay, so this gram will get cancelled. See, this we can write 54 into 10 power 2 by 18. Okay, 54 into 10 power 2 by 18. So here it is 3 times. So here we get 300 gram molecules of water is present in the 5.4 kilogram of water sample. Okay, clear. Now here let us discuss important 2 points and what is Avogadro number and avogram. Okay, so see here we used gram atomic weight and gram molecular weight, right? Gram atomic weight and gram molecular weight. Remember that gram atomic weight is the weight of Avogadro number of particles, not the weight of the single atom. Very important. Okay, what is that? Gram atomic weight is equal to the weight of Avogadro number of atoms, not the weight of the single atom. Very important thing, this one. In the same manner, gram molecular weight, that is equal to the weight of the Avogadro number of molecules, not equal to the weight of the single molecule. Okay, so for example, just now we discussed gram atomic weight of carbon is how much? 12 grams. See, this is the 12 grams is the weight of Avogadro number of carbon atoms, not the weight of the single carbon atom. In the same manner, for water molecule, we have discussed that gram molecular weight is 18 grams. That is not the weight of the single water molecule. This is the weight of Avogadro number of water molecules. Clear? Very important, these two things. Okay, these are not the weight of the single atom or single molecule. So what is Avogadro number? Okay, so we know very well that Avogadro number, it is denoted by Na. So number of atoms present in 1 gram atom or number of molecules present in 1 gram molecule, that is equal to the 6.023 into 10 power 23, and this number is called as Avogadro number. Clear? So number of atoms in 1 gram atom or number of molecules in 1 gram molecule is equal to the 6.023 into 10 power 23. So here this is the weight of these many carbon atoms, not the weight of the single carbon atom. Okay, so clear. And in the same manner, the 18 grams, gram molecular weight of water is 18 gram. This is the weight of these many water molecules, not the weight of single water molecule. Okay, so that's why number of atoms in a gram atom or number of molecules in a gram molecule, that is equal to this number, and this is called as the Avogadro number. Clear? Next, Avogram. So this is the reciprocal of Avogadro number is known as Avogram. Okay, reciprocal of Avogadro number, that is, so 1 Avogram is equal to 1 by Na. So no, reciprocal of the Avogadro number. So that is 1 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. That is equal to, after simplification, we get 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. So this is Avogram. Okay, Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, Avogram is 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. Clear? So these 2 points very important. Okay, remember that not only this example, anywhere. So that is the gram atomic weight is the weight of Avogadro number of atoms, and gram molecular weight is the weight of Avogadro number of molecules. Okay, now let us see with 2 examples all the points which we discussed till now. Together we will discuss with 2 examples to understand easily. Suppose 1 gram atom of sodium is given. This is nothing but 23 grams of sodium. So no, 1 gram atom of sodium, nothing but the 23 gram of sodium, right? Atomic weight of sodium expressed in grams. This is nothing but the weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 sodium atoms are present. So no, in 23 gram of sodium, how many sodium atoms are there? 6.023 into 10 power 23, or Avogadro number of sodium atoms are present. So no, see here, 1 gram atom of sodium has these many sodium atoms. Okay, or the weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 sodium atoms is 23 grams of sodium. Okay, so like this, the relations which we can understand easily here. Okay, in the same manner, suppose we have 1 gram molecule of CO2. This is nothing but the 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Yes or no? 1 gram molecule of CO2 is nothing but 44 gram of CO2, and it has 6.023 into 10 power 23 CO2 molecules. CO2 molecules are present. Yes or no? Okay, in 44 gram of CO2, how many CO2 molecules are there? These many CO2 molecules are weight of the 6.023 into 10 power 23 CO2 molecules is equal to 44 grams. Okay, clear, understood? See, 44 grams of CO2 means this 44 gram, this is the weight of these many CO2 molecules. This is not the weight of one CO2 molecule, that you should understand clearly here. Okay, so this is about the gram atom, gram molecule, and we discussed how to calculate number of gram atoms and number of molecules. And one more thing finally, this gram atom or gram molecule is nowadays that is replaced by the mole. Okay, gram atom is also equal to the mole, or gram molecule that is also equal to the mole. That we will discuss in another lecture in detail. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support us.